Friends, during survey or sampling, we note the spatial information, that is latitude and longitude of that place using GPS, and note it as in the Excel file. And the corresponding analysis values for that also we are noting in the Excel file or text file. So first we have added all the samples, their spatial information and the analysis values. Then we need to convert it to a shape file for further analysis in GIS. So how to add these XY values, this latitude longitude values and the other non-spatial variables to the ArcGIS we will be seeing in this video. Before that, one more thing is, see, somewhere you will get latitude and longitude in decimal degree. Somewhere you will get written it like degree, minute and second. And then you have to first convert it to latitude and longitude. So for ArcGIS, this is required. For that you have to make a formula like is equal to degree, then plus minute divided by 60, again plus second divided by 3600. So this is the degree, minute, second. Okay. So we will be deleting it. This is only for example. Once you are having your latitude and longitude and other non-spatial variables, now we are going to create a shape file from this Excel file. For that, you go to the file, add data, then add XY data, and here go for the Excel file. Okay, so this is our Excel file, and here which sheet in the Excel. So our data is in sheet 1. So if it finds field name as long or longitude, then lat or latitude, it will automatically take it. Otherwise, if you are having written some other name for longitude, then you have to select from here. Now we have to carefully see for the coordinate system. Since our data is in decimal degree or degree, minute, second and converted to decimal degree, undoubtedly we have to go for geographic coordinate system and not to a projected system. So we have to click on edit, then go to geographic coordinate system, then word, and here you will find WGS 84. This is the datum. So we have to give GCS WGS 84. Don't go for any projected system since your data is in decimal degree. Latitude, longitude information is in decimal degree. Then click OK. See, this is the spatial distribution of your data. Once it has been populated here, you have to save it as a shape file by right clicking it and then data and then export. So we will be saving it by like location. And then click OK. Yes. We can remove the earlier one. Now open attribute table, you will find lat, long, ph, ec. This is how we can convert the XY data or data from Excel to shape file. Thank you for watching.